What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the FRS. So we're going to put some new oil in her. We're going to put some Valvoline OW20. Also got a little box of goodies here. We're going to be installing the Femodo drain plug. So this is a quick release, very easy drain plug. Instead of having to change the crush washer every time, take the drain plug out, you just release it. It drains super easy. New oil filter, and then also we got new Toyota badges. So we're gonna swap out the Scion badges and put the Toyota badges on. So let's go ahead, let's get into it. Start draining the oil. I've got the oil pan set up. Stupid ass bolt is like warped or something. Thank God I'm changing it. So we're gonna try this. Basically takes size of the bolt, because I think the ends are a little round, so hopefully I can really rip this bitch off. Alright guys, so last clip you probably saw, I was like super pissed off, so quick update. The previous owner, or whoever was under here last, doing the oil change, they over tightened the drain plug. So the bolt is all rounded off. So I couldn't get it out. I was pissed. I tried vice grips. I tried channel locks, like everything. I went to the store and I got these. These are the Irwin bolt extractors. So these should work. So as you can see, there's a little channel in there. And they basically dig in and get a good grip on the bolt so that they could come out. So we're gonna try that, and hopefully it works, because honestly this is super stressful, and something so simple can make a bigger problem. And we don't want to replace the pan, we don't want to, any of that. We just want to get the plug out. And thankfully I'm putting the Femodo drain valve in, so that won't be a problem. So let's go ahead, let's get it under the car. Let's give it a whirl. Hopefully this will work. Alright boys, let's give this a whirl. Oh yes, victory. We have victory, boys. She goes. So we got the bolt here. Take it off and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and remove the oil filter. Then we're gonna wipe down the surface where the oil was, just to make a clean seal for the new guy. We're gonna take our new oil filter. Got a regular OEM Subaru oil filter. Gonna take a little bit of our new oil, just coat the surface of the gasket on the new filter, just so it lubricates well. And then this just needs to be hand tight on there. So go ahead, throw our funnel in there, and then we're gonna install the new drain valve. Just a tad new valve. And then this is going to get tightened down to 29 foot-pounds. So we're using Valvoline OW20 full synthetic. Alright guys, so got her all filled up with oil. Check the dipstick, ran her a little bit, check for leaks. She's all good, so we're gonna go ahead and lower her down. Got the new valve in there. Gonna lower her down and then we're gonna pull her out, park her in the sun, and we might take the badges off. Might put the new badges on today. Take the FRS off, take the sign off, throw the Toyota badges on there. The drain plug, and as you can see, that thing's just chewed up. But that bolt extractor, it did the job, man. You can see where it grabbed on it, it just yanked it out. I didn't even have to use really any force, just got it broken, and now she came. So shout out to the idiot that probably used an impact on the drain plug. So whatever, make sure you use the right specs. Okay, not just for other people, but for yourself. An over-tight bolt, using the wrong tool, it'll take a big headache away. So, alright guys, so that's actually gonna do it for the video. We're just gonna let the car show. Days we got some goodies coming, so I'll probably put the Toyota badges on when the other things come. I don't have any like Goo Gone or anything or any alcohol right now. It's really clean the surface off. So rather do it right than kind of BS my way through it. So we'll have to wait. That'll do it for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave me a like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.